Welcome to Researchio Bot. This is a healthcare education app which lets you ask questions about over 18,000 medical research articles curated from these public sites: MDPI, Dove Medical Press, Taylor & Francis, and PubMed Central. All the articles are listed in this title dropdown. So you can scroll through this list and select the article you want to ask about, or you can type in keywords in this input box here. I'm just going to ask about osteoporosis with the entire data set. So what are the latest treatments? And I click research it. So the bot's going to go through the entire data set to find the answer. Okay, so I found the latest treatments for osteoporosis here. You can also ask a question about a specific article. Let's choose something like this 15-year consolidated overview. Okay, and you can ask one of the sample questions as well. So I'll ask the bot to summarize this article, and that sample question is entered here, and I will click research it. So now the bot's going to look in this specific article to answer the question. Okay, so it came up with the summary of the article. You can also quiz yourself about the article here. So let's click Quiz Me. Okay, and the bot's going to come up with a multiple choice question for you here. I was quiet there because the bot's actually reading out the question to me, but my video recording software doesn't record from the speaker, so you wouldn't hear that. I'll just mute this for next time since you guys can't hear it. Okay, so the choices, let's try this one. A, probably wrong. Yeah, wrong. Okay, B. Okay, correct. And the bot actually plays the sound when you get the correct answer, which unfortunately you didn't hear. Now, if you click Quiz Me again, it's going to ask you a different question about the article that you selected here. Okay, so you see it's a different question now, the common symptom category. I'm going to cheat this time. I'm going to copy and paste that into the question box here and click research and let the bot figure out for me. So the bot's going to look through the article and it's going to count the answer. So let's scroll down. Okay, cardiac disorders. Let's click gastrointestinal first. Make sure that's wrong. Okay, A should be wrong, right? So B has to be right. Yeah, and it matches what the bot found. You can also do a quick lookup for disease. How you use this is you select or enter a disease like Alzheimer's. And once you select the disease, the bot's going to search through the data set to find all the articles related to this disease. So you see I found these 5 articles. And again, it gives you a link for each article, so you can go through each article. And we can enter in the article name here. So say I want to ask a question about number 2 there, estimating prevalence. So I typed in the keywords to match. Okay, now I have this article selected. I'll ask a question about what are the clinical implications of this research? And click research it and let the bot figure it out. Okay, so here's the answer the bot found about the clinical implications of the research. Okay, that's my demo of the Researchio Bot app, and I hope it's useful for healthcare education. Thank you.